Independence was no sudden occurrence. It was a result of decades long struggle of the common people, of the leaders of that time. Now it's important because the common people themselves came to the forefront of the movement, especially during the Quit India movement, when most of the leaders were behind the bars. It was the common folk that came forward for the movement. They came forward to put down the arbitrariness, the foreign rule that ruled the country, that reigned the country. They came forward to put down the dark forces of colonial power and establish Swaraj, establish democracy, establish their own rule with secularism, multiculturalism. And I think these were the values that were enshrined in the Constitution as well. And we made them so that everything that happens in the country conforms with and is in consonance with the Constitution and these values that we fought for. These values include multiculturalism, diversity, inclusion, secularism, as well as individual liberty, social reform. These are so essential that we as a nation are founded on these premises. Therefore, this Independence Day, I urge everyone to revisit these values, to revisit this premise on which we as a nation came forward. These premises which unites us as a nation itself. So let's go back to our forefathers and link these values to the contemporary sense, to the contemporary world, to the contemporary era. Let's go back to these values, and happy Independence Day. Thank you.